Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what are the different ways to create an object. For that guys, first way is object constructor. It is very simple way to create an object. Very simple way to create an object. So how exactly we can create it? Let's say where simple object equal to by creating with new reference variable object. See, if you write console.log whether the simple object is an object or not, we can define typeof. By using typeof, we can rectify that this is a object or not. So let me execute it. Object node object creation .js. It's an object. So this is the first method. This is the first method, and simple method to we'll go for second method. Second method of object creation. So I'll put a comment on the console log. Second method is object create method. So object create method we can create where second object as its second method equal to object dot, we can write create, we can write null. If you want to cross verify whether this is an object or not, we can easily write a console log. I'll copy the console log, I'll paste it here. Instead of simple object, I'll put second method. Let me execute it. Now it states as an object. It is just create method of an object by passing a prototype object as a parameter. By object create method, it's a second way to create an object. It is first way to create an object. Let us see third way. So object literal syntax. If you want to create a null object as we have created here, where third method equal to, so this open bracket close bracket inside whatever we write, so it is a object but it is a null object. So we can see the console log here, we can put a comment, we can enter it here. So I'll put third method whether it is object or not. So before that I'll clear the screen. So it is an object. So we have seen three methods by adding new keyword. So object is created, we can simple object. We verified the type of simple object is an object. By object.create we can create an object, and also by creating open bracket and close bracket, it's the object literal syntax. So what is the fourth method? So fourth method is traditional way by creating through function. You would have, if you would have seen, if you guys would have experience like having an experience in the programming, if you guys have worked on functions in the JavaScript, you would have seen this way of creation of an object. So by function creation will be simple. So the syntax of function is in JavaScript is function, open bracket, close bracket. We can give any parameter here. So for now I'll give parameter as employee. We can call the function also. I have to give function name, right? I'll write fourth method and employee as a parameter. By using this method we can create variables for this particular object. I'll write this dot name equal to name, which will be passed. So this dot serial number equal to serial number. I'll write name comma, and I'll call this as a fourth method function. Write it here. I'll write this as a fourth method, where fourth method equal to new fourth method function. Name is, I'll write a test, and serial number is 1. So if you want to know whether this fourth method is object or not, we'll take the console log from here. I'll put a comment to this. So I'll clear the screen. Object creation, it's an object. So before where and all I have put console.log, I have commented it. So now this type of creation of an object is function constructor. So I'll comment this also. So let us now see the fifth method. Fifth method is also kind of similar. It is a function constructor with prototype. You have seen the prototype, I think, here, where we're creating a Object.create. Similarly, we can create by using its prototype as properties and methods. So I'll take the similar example. I'll take function. It will be function constructor with prototype. So I'll write function fifthMethodFunction. So I won't pass any arguments. So function will be an empty function. Now what I'll do, I'll use this one. I'll put dot. I'll use the prototype. Dot. I'll use name equal to same. I'll write it here test. Instead of passing in a function, we can pass it like this. And also I can copy the same thing. I can paste it here. Prototype dot serial number. So prototype dot serial number will be 1. I'll copy from to here. So it will be fifth method. Instead of fourth, it will be fifth method. Fifth method will be fifth method function. That's it. So no need to pass anything since we have got it from a prototype. So let us see what is this type and object creation. It's an object. So this is the fifth method. So sixth method we can use Es6 class syntax. What is Es6 class syntax? From class and all we can create an object. I'll write class 6 method as a class name. So class name text open bracket close bracket. I'll comment the console log. So in 6 method I can give constructor as name. So I can use this dot name equal to name. I can call on the class here using var object equal to, or I can write 6th object creation equal to new of 6th method. So you can see it's a class. Now we can give name inside. So name is always an name. So I'll give test. So let us see what is the type of this. So console log 6th object creation, CLS, null object creation, nurture. object. So there is one more type, call that Singleton Pattern. So normally we can create like this. Singleton pattern. What is Singleton Pattern? It's an object which can be initiated one time. Repeated calls to its constructor return the same instance. So for that we can write seventh object equal to, so new function. So inside the function parameter we can write this dot name equal to test. Okay, let us now see what is the type of the seventh object. Let me copy this, let me paste it here, comment this one, and then to know what is the type of the seventh object, CLS, and this is object. So these are all the methods, guys. Object constructor, object create method, object literal syntax, function constructor, function constructor with prototype, Es6 class syntax, and also singleton pattern. So if you have any doubts, put me in the comment section. For now, that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.